Ditto Ghosty Ghost, who needs your help getting revenge on his big jerk of a boss, who just happens to be up to something real evil-like. And everybody likes revenge, and hates evil, right? Except for evil people, I guess. But screw them!
Myself in a bit of a pickle, Joshy.
Hey, thanks. I'm Rude Alex. I'm a lot more dead than I was a couple days ago. But I got no idea how or why. I need your help.
Rude Alex? What kind of name is that?
Life. That was my pirate name. And Death. That's still my pirate name. But I don't remember nothing else but this here hook in my head. And maybe something about the apothecary. Maybe we can go find some answers there. Let's go. I'm gonna tag along, but I don't want to frighten nobody, so I'm gonna be invisible. Oh, wait. Can I turn invisible? I'm a ghost after all. Hey, let's see. Don't worry, I'm still here. Hey, them cannons look like they're attached to the gate mechanism. Oh, you know, pirates are notoriously forgetful, so they usually leave the solution hanging around somewhere.
Might have lived if you'd run. Overload. Quite the collection. Well, if it isn't my favorite killer fungus! Cartography. My first love.
Hey, you did it! Let's head into the apothecary. Get a load of those choppers! I think Andy means I'm a ghost, but they sure miss. Good luck with that.
A little for me, a lot for you.
Hey, pick that up. It's got a sort of nostalgia feeling going on. Oh, damn. That's my enchanted nose ring. But, what's it doing here?
Think they fed you to the seawargs, chump.
Man, I hope I was dead before I got AIDS. But I just remembered something. The enchanted nose ring protected me from potion fumes. Well, let's go find the back door to the apothecary. And maybe we can figure out the next piece of my death wish.
Hey! You're not supposed to be here! I know everyone who's supposed to be here! Did you get him?
There's something of mine too there. I can feel it. Get those guys so we can find it.
Fought like rubbish, died not. Little warning next time. Eruptor! Such Murderous mushroom. We're in this together.
You see? A drain pipe.
Hey, it's a drain pipe. We can use that to sneak in. Locked off. Maybe we can melt the braid off? Seems like something I'd have done in another life. And by another life, I mean the one I had. Before I was ghostified. Wish I could remember why I traded on the big boss.
You rebelled against the pirate captain and he killed you.
I still can't remember exactly what happened. But something bad went down, and now I float through walls, I guess. Stupid Captain Pirate.
Don't you...
Ah, potion of acid smash. Hot damn, that's a lucky find. Let's melt that grate. I mean, seriously, what are the chances that the exact thing we needed would be right here? Get in there, Chief. All right, we're in. I think the warehouse is just up ahead. Gotta be more clues about what went down here. Let's look around, see what we can see.
I don't want to spoil the surprise, but we're totally about to die.
Piss off to the hereafter.
You're a idiot.
Potion cookbook and a mess of seawarg pods. That's odd as I'll get out. It looks like someone was making a big old batch of seawarg essence. But what for? It says here there's a huge shipment of so-called healing potions headed for Brighthorn. Could this be why I was killed? Did I try to stop this?
The more the dice, the better the loot.
I will break free. Ah! No, I won't. A hearty scrap is good for the blood.
Pain's nothing.
These are labeled healing potions. That sounds legit, right?
This sounds faker than my hair color.
This doesn't look so good. But I'm working on a theory. Let's keep moving. Wait, I hear something. Listen.
So much to conquer.
How'd I die? Answer me!
It's rude, Alex. I knew he'd come back for us.
Quick! Drink the potions! It's our only hope!
not a healing potion. Definitely a turn you into a seawarg potion.
Crazy, right? I'm so close to something here. Oh, that's my head! Grab it! Wait, picking up my head must have jogged my memory, because I just remembered. This must be why they killed me!
Because of the potion that turns people into seawargs.
Because of the potion that turns people into seawargs! Every time you get one of my things back, I remember things. Materialism does weird stuff to our sense of identity, I guess. But look, we gotta get to the vat with the making this potion and stop them from, you know, doing that! They were gonna use these potions to turn everyone in Brighthook. And I just couldn't let it happen. It's one thing to shake a grocer down for protection money. It's another thing altogether to turn a whole town into seawargs. Hey! You guys suck! Now you're gonna die too!
Daddy,
Breathe it in! Bad luck or bad choices. Dead all the same. This will end you! All meat for the grinder. Spoils of war. Not this time.
Can't remember how to stop the thing. Look around. Maybe something here will remind me.
Looks like magic's back on the menu.
Oh boy, this is existentially a lot. Glad you went here for that one, huh? Well, I remember how to do it now. Correct the temperature on the van.
Whoa, that's my boy.
all this way. The tilt yeah.
Fire! Nice! That'll overheat the current brew. Next, we gotta close the steam release valve to build up the pressure.
Death is just a new beginning.
It's a merrier place.
That should wreck the vat for good. So we just need to add something that'll make sure the current batch is brewing. An ingredient straight from the heck realm.
That's for making me look at you.
That's it! Now throw it in the vat and this potion's toast!
Gather round! What is this terrible ingredient?
It's a pirate's secret. Oh no! They didn't shove a hook in my brain, so I guess I can tell you. Pineapple. Add to anything, instantly rules.
Huh. What's it like to be so wrong?
Ha ha! It's done so! Now we just gotta stop them sending what they already made to Bright. To the captain's quarters!
You disgrace the good name of Pineapple. But they tried to turn Brighthoof into Sea Wargleville. I'm in.
Hey, I don't want to argue, all right? Let's go. I'm coming for you, Captain Pirate. Watch your ass, you son of a gun.
So their big plan was to turn people into seawargs and then steal from them.
Yes.
Wouldn't the seawargs be even more dangerous than the people, though?
Well, I mean, yeah, sure, but what are they gonna do? Stop you from taking their stuff? Seawargs can't exactly wear nice jewelry.
Why not?
Well, because I don't know, they don't have ears? Have you seen them wear jewelry? It made sense in my head, okay?
Okay, let's just suspend our disbelief here and help our pirate ghost friend. Okay? Okay.
What in the name of drills, Barber? What now?
Surprise, Captain! I bet you thought you'd see the last of me.
Rude Alex. You failed to stop my plot against the people of Brighthoof and Life, so now you return in death. I should have known you would be that bloody annoying. But the town is mine.
Back off, Al! Don't do warning shots. Leave it. Leave it. I've got all the magic I need.
Do I gotta do everything myself around here? Have at you then!
Have a taste of the grave.
You over? Let's debrief, man. Gee, freaking Rich. You really did that. Not only did you avenge me, but you saved Brighthoof. But look, thanks for trying to put me to rest. It's not that I don't appreciate it, but I kind of want to return this place back to its former glory, you know?
No reason your life goal should have to end in death.
You're right. And you're the best. I'll get to work on making this a place that actually helps people, instead of trying to turn me into monsters.